Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Shipt app. First, search for Shipt on App Store or Google Play Store. After finding the app, click on the download icon beside it. Then click on Open. Once the app is open, you will see some information about the app. To proceed, click on the right arrow. Next, click on Get Started. If you don't have an account for Shipt, select Sign Up and choose how you would like to sign up. But if you already have an account, click on Sign In. Also, if you would like to sign up for a similar shopper program and earn money, we will put our affiliate link for Instacart Shopper as well in the description below. Once you're signed in, you will see a message asking to enable notifications. If you wish to receive the latest updates from Shipt, click on Yes. Otherwise, click on Not Now. That's how you download and install Shipt app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.